So I'm gonna cut this, and the thing to note here is cutting it against the grain of the meat, right? We're gonna take and literally pound this out. We're gonna go at this with a little bit of seasoned flour. I'm gonna come back in to my egg wash, and I'm gonna go from there straight into the panko breadcrumbs. In the pot, we have white wine, the caper, the onion, and the thyme. The star of this show is this delicious Wisconsin butter. So I have my trumpet mushrooms down in the pan. Let's add back in our onion and garlic and a little bit of fresh thyme. Next, in the cast iron, I'm gonna take this and lay it in. We wanna come now with these venison cutlets. So we're gonna take and push this right over the top. I have a farmer who just grows local flowers for me to make these dishes that much more beautiful and hopefully create a feast for the eyes before we actually even get to taste it.